given the whole consultant thing about 6 months to a year.
Yeah.
So I'm like, I want to obviously pay for my Pampered Chef website, and I think I've got to start paying for that in the next couple of months or something.
Yeah, you get 120 days, so you get 4 months.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because of when you signed up. Okay, so here is the front of it, what it looks like. Can you see all this? Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay. So there are tutorials here that you can watch too. Okay, it tells you how to, it just tells you a bunch of different stuff that I'm going to share with you, but these tutorials are awesome too. So basically over here is where you're going to find your templates. You would just go templates and list. And when we share our templates with you, this is where they're going to pop up. Don't know why. Post My Party has been giving me fits today, honestly. I hope it's going to work. Come on. Why are you not wanting to load? Oh, there we go. Okay. So it will show up here and it'll say something. So see where it says shared right here? Someone shared this template with me. So that's what it'll say. If you use mine, it'll be like whatever I have here. 2020 pre-party posts, and it'll say COVID. What's that one? Oh, it's over here. So it'll say 2020 COVID template 3 or whatever. Okay, and then it'll say shared at the end. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go in, and this is just a freezer soups one that I made at the end of the year. So you're going to want to go in, and right here, this little pencil is where you can edit the entire post. This is awesome because it'll edit just the words if you need to quick edit something, and then the picture if you like the picture that's there. But this big pencil will edit everything. So you can edit all of this, you can change your picture out, and you can change the day or the time, whatever. Now this is just a template, remember. So this is not going to be specific to any host. I'll show you what to do if you need to change something from your template to mean.
So if I have an account, I can go to your posts and see them and share them with myself?
No, I will share it with you. When you have your Post My Party account, I can share my templates with you. I basically give you a link, and you can click on the link and it will upload my template to your Post My Party, or I can send it to you via email and you would click on it and it would automatically be added to your Post My Party.
Because this looks pretty simple.
Yeah, girl, I'm telling you. So, okay. So this is where you would go in. So when you create a new post, let me see. And there are other things like this quick post and post library and stuff. I don't really use those so much because I haven't had time to really like mess with it at all. But I'm just going to go here because this is old. But when you want to add a new post to a template, if it's like, oh, well, I need to add something different, then you just click add new post and you choose. Is it going to just be a message when it posts in your party? Do you want to use a website link like for that will take them to a particular product? Do you want to add a picture, one picture or multiple pictures? I use the actual, like the images ones that are the square that for marketing imagery, and I can do up to 4 and it'll post beautifully in a post with 4 pictures like that. So I don't do more than 4. And then you can do, I don't really do an album link anymore, but a video link. So if you, on that new consultant guide, there's a video tutorial that teaches you how to embed the videos. So you get a link where it will direct them to your business page instead of YouTube. And if you just get a link from Marketing Imagery, it will say this PC wide net something, and it won't really show the video. They'll have to click on it to see it. But that's something that you might want to do. And I'll show you one in a minute, what I mean. But you can post a video link here. If you need to use YouTube videos at first, that's fine. But Facebook doesn't like that when people click on a YouTube link, it takes them out of Facebook. So when you upload the video to your business page, so you would download it to your computer, add it to your business page as a post, and write something awesome about it. And then you would, once it's loaded, then you click a thing and it says embed, and then it'll give you a link that you'll be able to post here. And basically what will happen is when people are scrolling through a party and they come to a video, let's see if I have one here in this party, it will just start, it should just start playing like this when they're scrolling through. But if somebody were to click on it, see right here, it's a, are you seeing my screen?
Yes.
Okay, good. It will direct them to my business page, which is still within Facebook. So that's what embedding videos will do. Okay, so back to here. So you would add whatever your link is if you choose it or whatever, or you would add your picture, you add your words here. Then you tell it which day you're going to want it to post and what time you're going to want it to post. Again, it's just a template, so you can always change that within. And then you would save it or save new if you're creating a brand new template, whatever. Save. And then you can go back to your template and do whatever else you need to do. So one thing that I wanted to show you too was right here, where it says link with the, it's got to be the square brackets, not the fancy brackets. And basically what this does, there's a link one, there's a host one, oops, wrong one, and there's a text one. Within the template, you want them to say these things because they will ask you what you want to fill these with when you're scheduling the party. So I am going to show you, because I need to schedule parties for tomorrow, I'm going to show you what I mean. So actually, I don't think I can do that yet because I haven't set them up on Facebook. So I can't do that. But so basically what's going to happen is you're going to go to parties. So you have the template already prepared. You're going to come over here to parties. You're going to click schedule new. And here you're going to choose the template that you want to use. So you are using whatever the shared one is, and you can change it. You can delete the shared out if you want. But like this one, I left Alicia in there because it's one that she shared with me, or I shared with her or something. She shared it with me because I wanted to look at it. And then she's one of our teammates too. She's just taking a break for right now. But you'll just pick whatever template it is. And then you want to click business page group. Now, this is one thing that you'll have to do in your party before you can have access to this. I forgot about that because you don't have Post My Party yet. So in your parties, you're going to go into the settings, and it doesn't matter whether you have, if you have the old Facebook, it'll be up at the top under more, and it'll be edit group settings. But you'll have to go to apps, and you'll want to click this pencil or click add apps, and then you'll have access to search for the Post My Party, and it's all one word.
Okay.
So type Post My Party in all one word. It would pop up here. You would just click it, add, save, all of that, and then you're good to go. The other thing that you have to do in order to utilize Post My Party, you have to make sure that your personal page is an admin on the group. So when you set up a party in Facebook, it automatically invites your personal page, yes?
Yes.
Okay, so you want to make sure that you've joined the group and that your business page adds your personal page as an admin.
Yes.
Okay, so that I forgot about that before we got started. So that you want to make sure when you're setting up your parties on Facebook that you do that. You add the app and that your personal page is an admin in the group.
Yes.
So then you would click on this business page group and you would choose your business page. And once you do that and you click on choose group, your Facebook party group will be here. So we'll say that it was Amber. This is our brand new teammate that joined today. This was her party. So you would just choose that party. Down here, you're going to tell Post My Party when this party starts, when you want that day one post to post. For me, it's Thursdays. So I would have chosen Thursday. I'm going to actually choose Friday because that's tomorrow. But you choose the date that you want it to start. Now, mind you, you have in your templates, let's see if it'll open for me quickly. In your templates, remember, you've already selected the times that you want these to post. So when you're selecting the date, then this day one, that's posting on the date that you choose. So I just chose Friday. So this post will post on Friday at 8 a.m. This post is going to post Friday at 8:30 a.m. This one's going to post Saturday, because that's day 2 of the party, at 8:30. Okay, so that's what we're setting up now, is what day you want your party to start. So that's Friday. You choose your time zone. So the majority of mine are Pacific time. But if I have 2 hosts this week that are on Central Standard Time. So I choose Central Standard. So at 8 o'clock my host's time, her party's starting. So it's not ending at 10 p.m. her time, you know. And then it makes it really nice because if I have one party that's Central Standard Time and one party that's Pacific Standard Time, I can easily use the very same template because it's posting at different times. The same post is posting, but it's different times of the day. So Facebook won't be like, oh, what are you doing posting 8,000 times? So, and then this is where you specify your party. So this is where it's going to replace your host's name, where anywhere in your template where it says host, you're telling what you want it to fill with. And you're choosing a link. You're going to put the link in here. So anywhere that has that bracket link, you're going to tell it that you want to fill it with this. And then anywhere that has a text, I just know what my text is, like where I have the text piece. So I just know what it is. And then you hit create.
So what do you mean replace text with, what's the 330? I don't understand.
This is just for me. I know in my template where I have the text bracket and I want to replace it with a date because that's what it's saying. It's in my template where I have that text thing. It's a date. It's basically telling them when the orders are due by.
Oh, so that the orders due by would need to be there?
Well, no, that's just my personal. That's what I have set. I have this text. You don't have to use any of these, honestly. But I have a link. I have the link typically set at the end of every. Let me open one of my current templates. I have it at the end of every template that has products in it. So I have the link here. It's going to post the link. So when I'm using
So I understand the link, but I don't understand the text.
okay, so I don't remember which one. So you can use the text piece for anything. So if you use the word amazing a lot in your template, you can do text here.
Oh, I see. Okay, that makes sense.
And then over when you're scheduling your party, you would put amazing in here. And anywhere this text is, it will replace it with the word amazing.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So then you would hit create, and when you hit create, it will and then it will turn into the party page that looks like something like this. And then you'll be like, oh my gosh, how awesome. And these have already posted, but then it'll say day 1, and it'll say the date and the time, and it'll say pending. So you know that on Friday at 8:03, it's going to post this post to that party. Now, this is where once the party is set up, if there's something specific to the host that I'm like, okay, you know, I'm not gonna, something that I don't want to change in my main template, but I want to change it for this host's party. Like, for instance, let's say, we're not going to do the dance party on Friday because she doesn't believe in dancing or whatever. I don't know. We're going to replace it with share a picture of your favorite place or something like that. So then you can go in here and it's only going to change it within her party. It's not going to change your template. Okay.
Makes sense.
So now I have 4 of these set up and I'm going about my day. And all I'm doing is in the morning, I'm checking in with my parties. In the evening, I'm checking in with my parties. And usually, so to send my messages, I try to do that during nap time for my boys. When my boys lay down for nap is when I try to send my text messages thanking people for ordering and my messages within the party. And in the evening, I'm not going to lie, like what you're doing now, that's when I go in and I interact with all of the posts and I tag people and I give them extra products or whatever that they're, and I try to get it done before 9 because I don't like to send messages or texts after 9. So if I don't get it done, then I try to do it the next morning. But
okay, well, this looks super simple.
Yeah, girl. I think you're gonna like it.
Are you gonna share all your posts with me?
Yeah, I'm gonna share one of my templates with you. Just let me know once you've signed up and I'll share it with you. And I think I can stop